New SAT, but I still get to use my favorite math strategy. Plug points into equations. If you've watched any of my other math videos, and you should, even if you're studying for the new test, the old ones are going to still be helpful. This is a strategy that we use in a lot of cases. It's so helpful because it's so mindless. If you have a question and they give you equations and they give you points, plug the points in the equations. In this case, it's an inequality, doesn't change it, it's still an equation, and then we have 4 points. Let's just guess and check with these points, plug them in. We're trying to see which one is the solution. So just start with the laziest thing. I think C is pretty lazy here. I'd love that 0. That's a nice thing. Now 5 is the y. So 5 is less than -4 times 0 plus 4. Well, that's 5 is less than 4. That's not true. So, okay, I picked the laziest answer. It didn't work. Let's keep going. Let's do D. I like D. It's got a 0 in there too. Now that 0 is in the y spot, but -4 times -4 plus 4, that 0 is less than +16 plus 4. Oh yeah, that's true, right? Because it's 20, but it's a positive number. So there, we're done. Now we could try A and B, but this is the beauty of this, is a kind of a guess and check situation. So we don't need to. There's only one that could work. We just prove that D works. We're done. 0 is less than 20. Hopefully, we're going to see a lot more questions where plug points into equations works. And we have the benefit now in the new SAT that the calculator is usable on all sections. So we might be able to kind of use that calculator in a lot of very clever ways to plug the points in. So I'll stay tuned for that. As soon as I know more about how that calculator is going to work and all that good stuff, we're gonna start using that as a strategy. But right here, even without a calculator, it's very easy to plug these points in, and you can see it's mindless.